Every year that there's something new here. Every year that I find something new that I like.
Seeing the new cars is always exciting. But in addition to seeing the new cars, the concept cars and the specialty cars, but one of the other things that I'm into antique cars. And we used to do a lot of racing. You know, the guys get in the cars on the Saturday night and then just take off. So these type of cars bring back the Camaro, you know. I remember we used to be racing Camaros, the GTO against the Camaro, the Chevelle and all. But again, all of those things are things that are in the past. You have those memories.
My name is Charles, and I'm standing here watching this $8 million car, which is a prototype of the Stingray. And it's on 24-hour watch here at the Baltimore Convention Center at the car show.
What we like about the car is everything. It's all you can want in the car. It's fast. You can't really see how you get in, and the technology is great. Any plans on buying this car? I doubt it. $8 million is a lot to come by.
It's been really cool to see the different concepts and the new ideas that are coming out, to see how the technology is changing, and to definitely see how the energy transportation has changed.
I like to vote because it's energy saver. I can plug it into the outside plug of my house, and I don't have to worry about all of these stuff that's in the air, and it runs just as good as any other car. Hey, look, I can roll up beside my house, pull my cord out, plug it up, generate it, and the thing goes up to a 90, 100 miles an hour. Gas versus hybrid electric, which would be?
Gas.
Probably hybrid.
Gas.
Hybrid? Why not? There should be no other way.
I'm a 13-year-old boy. I'm not ready for this stuff, green stuff.
They might even have, instead of service stations for gas, they might have things like pumps that have electricity where you can go charge your car. However, I gotta find out really how long these things stay charged. I hate to be riding down the road and it goes off on me.
I'd like to give a shout out to all of our troops. Thank you so much for fighting for us and keeping us free and keeping it real.